those two songs for your performance this morning?
OMG, grabe ang question.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Rampa na lang po.
I believe
Ay.
that I picked those two songs because those are the two songs that perfectly describe my situation as of now.
Wow.
And I thank you.
I love that. Kapag tumibok ang puso right now. Okay. So with that, may I know if you have words of encouragement also to our runners, knowing that this run is actually commemorating the 40 years of Chowking.
Yes, grabe, 40 years na ang Chowking. And to be able to celebrate the 40 years of Chowking, we are here doing the Chow Fun Run. So actually, I'm very grateful for Chowking for accepting me into this family, and also dahil nagsa-celebrate tayo in a healthy way. We are running. Chowking is a food brand, yes, as we all know, but they very much put importance to our health as well, as we are doing a fun run right now. At fun naman ang ating fun run, di ba? Yes. So ayun, thank you so much for having me here. I'm very honored to be able to perform in front of you guys. At sa mga tumatakbo, mag-ingat kayo palagi and always stay hydrated.
Ayun. And alam mo, kanina pa natin nag-uusapan ng kanya tayong favorite moments with Chowking. Curious lang kami, ano yung sa'yo?
My favorite moments, actually guys, Chowking enjoyer talaga ako. Every time I finish school, diretso Chowking with my friends. So I have a lot of core memories in Chowking with my friends.
What's your favorite order?
My favorite order, syempre yung Laureate.
Laureate.
All-in-one, di ba?
All-in-one na yan.
Asan yung mga team Laureate dyan?
What laureate do you normally order?
Yung normal na Laureate, yung naka...
Oh.
Yung may chicken, pancit,
Fried chicken.
yung may yellow rice. Kapag walang
I
yellow
love
rice,
that.
it will not...
The egg fried rice.
The egg
I
fried
know.
rice.
Same.
That one is my favorite talaga.
Diba, L'Oreal pang mga all or nothing tayo. Yes. And yes, while we have Kai here with us, of course at this point, we will also do a bit of awarding, no? We are putting that together and making sure everything is ready. And of course, Kai, you will do the honors, of course, to help us present these awards for the top winners of the different categories. Sige, but before that, sige, kwentuhan mo muna kami. Sige nga, Migs. Si Migs kasi kanina pa niya gusto i-share yung favorite ulam niya sa
What's your
Chowking.
favorite ulam nga, Kuya May?
Ano ko grabe no, nakakatanda talaga.
Mix na lang.
Ako ano ko team,
Tito Migs.
ano ko, team Chow Fan. Sino ba team Chow Fan dyan?
That's a good pick.
It
That's a
is.
good pick on the go.
Yeah, actually, nung estudyante rin ako, back in my day. Chow Fan.
Back in my day.
Yung mga siomay, yung mga
Back in
siomay
my
rice
day.
meal. So, back in my day.
Generation mo ba, Tito Migs?
Gen Z pa tayo lahat.
And speaking of that Chow Fan, I just want to show you guys also, nakita mo na ba yung Chowlectable natin?
Cholatable.
Right, as in flashy.
It's a Chow Fan! At sa kanila,
How to acquire this po?
Ganyan, how to acquire? Wala.
how to acquire daw po ba?
Pero
Gusto
dahil
ko din.
special ka,
Mamaya.
Ang kita,
pahingi kami ng isang chow
Pa-order
lectable para kay Kai.
Order po!
order me
Ayan. Pa-order po ng isang chow lectable para kay Kai. Ayan.
Ano ba talaga? I
Pero,
really want
ano
to.
yan? Yes. Ayan, here we go.
Ayan!
Thank you po.
O, diba?
Thank you so much.
Dahil sa Chowking mabilis. Oh.
Exactly.
Thank you so
For
much.
memory siya, dali matchy-matchy tayo.
It's so cute, di ba? As you guys can see, hindi lang siya bag charm or keychain. Something that you can wear in your outfits as well. Maybe a statement piece, you know. I love that. Look at her. Guys, let's appreciate.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Ayan.
Can they get this then?
Yes, they do.
Diba?
A lot of them. Sino mga may chow lectable na? Patingin naman.
Sino gusto?
Sino?
Ayan. Ayun.
Where can they get it? Ano ba?
Yes, there's a special booth that they can line up on.
Yeah.
So with that, actually, na-mention na kanina yung awardings for the top finishers of 3K, of 5K, of 10K, but we also have an additional special prize for the 1K cutest finisher.
Grabe tayo. Sobrang cute ng runners kanina. Meron tayong as young as 2 months old.
Yeah, I actually
Wow.
saw in the crowd kanina a baby.
I love that.
Nakasuot ng ganito din. siya. So,
Diba? Natulog siya actually, pero okay lang yun. Tinulak lang po siya ng mami niya.
3 hours.
Oh, diba? Ayan, so at this point, syempre, we want to make sure na yung core memories natin na capture natin.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
let's call on our
Yes, executives from Chowking. Yan. Our Chowking executives at pinangyayaan po namin kayo samahan kami dito sa stage for our Grand Groupie.
And with that, may I request the runners at the back to please join us as we have a group photo with Kai and our Chowking executives. One more. Everyone, runners, please come forward near
Yes,
to the
and
stage.
while we are at it, we'd also like to call on the Chow Fun Run team and Hype Sports team to join us for the group photo.
And
Hello
we,
po.
we also want to call the executives of Jollibee Group as well to join us here up on stage. Once again, Jollibee Group executives to join us here up on stage for our photo walk.
Okay? Guys, palakpakan naman natin ang Chowking 40 years! So we'll have our groupie all together.
Group photo muna, tapos saka tayo mag-groupie. For the memes, okay, can we have everyone compress? Sir Sky, can we have you here in front? Isang picture muna tayong lahat.
Once again,
And then okay.
ayan, okay.
Yes to our team. Gusto po ba natin magtawag? Okay na, okay na. Sige, everyone, let's compress. Look to the camera po.
Ayan. Team Chowking. Ayun po yung camera natin sa gitna. Compress po. May mga hahabol po. Congratulations po! Blocking na lang po tayo. Blocking na lang po.
We are seeing key people of achieving this 40 years of excellence with Chowking. You are seeing the people that made it possible. We'd like to congratulate each and every one of them, the XX of Chowking and XX of Jollibee Group.
Yeah, now look at the camera. 3, 2, 1, and smile.